Weird, this building used to be like a Masonic.
Yeah, the Fort Collins Masonic Home Association. I guess it might still be. Got amber colored.
Oh, what the heck? Whoa.
This is cool.
This used to be.
They totally just left the indicator space there open.
This is interesting, actually.
Let's hit B. Amber buttons, too.
Look, you can see out, too.
It's hydraulic. Yeah, you can. The car top light's on. This is weird.
Takes a bit to look. Can't tell who made this. I had to guess I'd say like Rotary or something.
Yeah, probably a Dover. It's a weird elevator.
That's a nice cab, though.
Go to 2. Hopefully there's nobody like here to... I don't know how these places normally are. The Masonic buildings. Some of them are cool, some of them are not.
I have a good angle. I'm filming out through the vents and the indicator.
Yeah. Get a sideways view. Yeah, because the car top light's on. These are nice innovation fixtures, actually.
They're amber.
Yeah, prestige amber.
Looks like. Oh, wait.
Oof, that was not a good idea. I should not have done that. Yeah, what's that? I'm taking a walk.
The Knight Templar.
Yeah, this is definitely still the Masonic Center. I wonder if they just accidentally left it open.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, the cabin here is kind of weird. Alright, here we are on the ground. Slow leveling.
Right, takes its time.
Yeah, I wonder what this would have been before. I mean, the door frames give off Montgomery, or
various classes. It seems to be like a sort of community center.
the door frames give off Montgomery.
They do. Anyway, that's it.